Okay, some help for the group work 10, I think, having to do with points on the unit circle. And what if you get something really weird like this? Okay, well, really weird like this is not really weird. It just means that we go around the unit circle a few times. What is 49 divided by 6? Let's do long division. 49 divided by 6. 6 goes into 4, it doesn't. 6 goes into 49 8 times, 48, and you're left with 1/6. So that means that we are going 8 times pi around. 1, there's 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, and then we have 1/6 pi left over. That brings us up to right there. So our reference angle is, our reference number is this number right here, which is 1/6 pi, or pi divided by 6. That's our, what we've been calling T hat. Some people put a hat like that over it. So do whatever you want. I don't care. I really don't care about reference numbers, except the fact that it makes our calculations so much easier, because now we're talking about this. I'll draw the triangle, even though I promised I wouldn't do triangles. This is pi 6. Now is the time for you to remember those reference triangles. You had 2 triangles that you had to master. One was the equilateral triangle, and then it's basically a 60, 30, 90 triangle. If this is 1, this is 1/2, this is the square root of 3 over 2. Well, we have that angle here. Pi 6 is 30 degrees. So that means that my x-coordinate is going to be, my cosine is going to be square root 3 over 2. And my y-coordinate is going to be 1/2. Now, this is my y, but it's also my sine of t. T is this point right here. Just trying to get you filled in on all this. Square root of 3 over 2 is my x-coordinate. That is also my cosine of t. Remember, the x-coordinate is the cosine. The y-coordinate is the sine. So now I have this second question. What is its secant? Well, if you remember, the secant is 1 over the cosine of t, which is 1 over x. So 1 over x here is, flip these around, is equal to 2 over the square root of 3. Put a box around it. That's it. That's your answer. What is the tangent? Well, the tangent is the sine of t over the cosine of t, which is y over x, which is 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2. By now, I hope that you're seeing that your 2's cancel and you're left with 1 over the square root of 3. This is your tangent of this guy right here. To review, you figure out how many times you're going to go around pi. There's 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. That's what we did when we got that 8. We went around 4 times, went around the circle 4 times, went around pi 8 times. We had this much left over. This was our reference angle. We then get these, figure out what our x and y coordinates are for that reference angle, and the rest is gravy.